The tiger's nest. It is also known as Parodatsang. It is one of the most famous spots of Bhutan. This place is extraordinary. The tiger's nest is a small collection of buildings which is 900 meters off of the ground. It is stunning in its beauty and location. Due to its location, the only way to get to it is by hiking. It is uphill the entire way, but not overly steep. This temple complex hangs far upon a cliff overlooking Paro Valley in Bhutan. It is one of the 13 small monasteries or tiger lairs, where the Buddhist master Padmasambhava, also known as Guru Rinpoche, is said to have meditated in the 8th century. Padmasambhava, which translates as "he who came into being in a lotus," was a Brahmin royal who spread Tantric Buddhism through Bhutan and Tibet in the 700s and is seen in those areas as nearly as holy as the Buddha himself. As legend has it, Padmasambhava landed at Parodatsang to meditate when he brought Buddhism to Bhutan in 8th century. He is said to have arrived on a flying tiger which had recently been his Tibetan concubine. He then meditated in a cave high on the mountain for 4 months, after which he subdued the local demons and began the conversion of Bhutanese to Buddhism. For those without flying tiger concubines, getting to the tiger's nest is significantly more difficult. There is a 2-hour climb from the valley floor, which is already quite high at 7,000 feet, to the tiger's nest 3,000 feet above, total 10,000 feet above sea level. As one climbs the well-maintained but very steep trail, more vertical switchbacks. The monastery seems to appear and disappear in and out of the trees and the mist. After 2 hours of a long slow climb, going slow is recommended to help manage the pace of the altitude. One arrives at the only beginning of the entrance to the tiger's nest, a rock outcropping overlooking a vast chasm, with the monastery on the other side. Beneath the promontory of rock, the cliff drops a couple of thousand feet to the gorge below. Carved into exposed cliff face and are stone steps. Handrails have only recently been added. This is the way to the Tiger's Nest Monastery. Despite reservations that visitors may have about navigating the intimidating steps, it is common to see Bhutanese locals, including mother carrying small baby, walking up the steps with ease. The steps lead down into the gorge, which provides the separation and isolation the tiger's nest has enjoyed for all those centuries. As one climbs into the canyon, a 100-meter high waterfall at the deep end of the canyon appears immediately in front, with the path traversing directly across its base. Once down and across the front of the waterfall, the steps start back up towards the tiger nest once again, over 700 steps in all. The tourists can enter Parodatsang and climb the several levels within, after removing their shoes, which contain 3 temples and a spectacular view. High and deep inside is the site where Padmasambhava is said to have meditated for 3 years, 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days and 3 hours. And we can feel the chill breeze coming from inside the cave. The return journey is much faster but equally dramatic. Coming to its location, it is located approximately 10 kilometers north of Paro town at an altitude of 3.12 meters. In order to arrive at the temple, the visitors must trek around 2 to 3 hours through beautiful shady pine forests. No trip to Bhutan would be complete without visiting this remarkable heritage site.